So to start with, we're going to create a slip knot. Chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, and double crochet in the magic ring. As you can see, we have one corner, chain 3, and we have 3. After 3 double crochet, we have chain 3, and now we have 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch. And now we're going to cut this off. And need to take this to the back. And now we're going to pull this tail so it closes the middle. Now we're going to grab our second yarn, make a slip knot, and we're going to attach. So we're going to insert into this in between the first and the second double crochet with single crochet, chain 2, and into the next in between the double crochet, single crochet, chain 4, and now we're going to skip this and we're going to go into the first between the first and the second double crochet, chain 2, and single crochet, chain 4, and we will be doing the same, chain 2, chain 4, and this is our last, chain 2, and chain 4. Now we're going to slip stitch into the first chain, to create and now we're going back to the yellow. Now we're going to slip knot to attach our yarn. And we're going to insert into this corner and yarn over, insert, and we're going to do a double crochet. So we have 3 double crochet. Now we're going to jump into the next corner for another 3 double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Just like that. After that, into the next corner, three double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet in the same space. And repeat this until we get to the end. So in the next corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3, three double crochet in the same space, and we're going back to finish the row into this corner. We're going to complete 3 double crochet, chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch. And this is how it looks like. And now we can trim this off. And we're going back to our white one. And do your slip knot. Okay, so now we are going to start in this side and single crochet, chain 2, and into this corner here, or in the middle of 2 double crochet, single crochet, chain 2, and into the next single crochet, chain 4, and into this between, chain 2. We will be repeating row 2, chain 2. We're working in between the double crochet, chain 2, and in the corner is we're going to chain 4. 1 2 3 4 and single crochet, chain 2 into the next, chain 2 and chain 2 and chain 4 as we are in the corner. Chain 2 chain 2 and chain 4. Now we're going to single crochet here and we chain 2, and now we're going to slip stitch. And we cut our yarn off. And now this is how it looks like. Now we're going back to our yellow and make your slip knot. Okay, so with this one, next row we'll be starting with the corner, which is we double crochet, and we add 2 more double crochet as what we did in row 3, and chain 2. Now we're going to work into this space here, three double crochet, chain 2, and into the corner, three double crochet, chain 3, and in the same space 3 more double crochet, chain 2, and into this space here in between the 3 double crochet cluster, we're going to place 3 double crochet, chain 2, and now we're into the corner, three double crochet, chain 3, and 3 double crochet, chain 2, and into this space for 3 double crochet, chain 2, and working on the corner, chain 3, and 3 more double crochet in the same space. So the space in our corner is 3 single crochet. The space in between is 2 chain. The space here is 3 chain 3, and this one is chain 2 only. Okay, so in the corner is chain 3, and in between the sides is chain 2. So don't get confused. Chain 2 and three double crochet, chain 2, and we're back into the corner that where we started. So we're going to complete the corner by placing 3 double crochet. Okay, as you can see, this is how we have 1 2 3 corner. So now this is our 4th corner, which is chain 3, and we're going to slip stitch. And this is how it looks like. So if you want to make it bigger, so you just have to repeat row 2 and row 3, row 2, row 3. Okay, so you just keep repeating and until you get your desired measurement for your granny square. But this is how we make this beautiful granny square. Okay, so hopefully guys you like this video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please hit that like button and share this video as well. And if you haven't subscribed, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I will upload a new video. Okay, and hopefully I will see you next time. Okay, so thank you very much guys, and have a wonderful day everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.